So I've decided to basically brave it and be a little bit braver than normal. I think they've gone in the shallow water. Now, it's going to be a bit risky, right? Because there's going to be an undercut, there's going to be lots of snags, but I'm going to give it a go. So, straight away, look at that. Be brave or go home. That's what you get. It's got to be £8. Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So another quick video today, but it's a new venue for me. It's Rycroft Fisheries. Never fished here before. It's in East Midlands. It's not too far from where I live, but I just want to keep it really simple, a pleasure session today. I just want to fish with micros and corn. That is it, dead simple. So I've decided to plumb up an 11.5 metre line roughly, and it's about 3.5 foot there. So I'm going to be potting in some micros and a few pieces of corn and then fishing corn on over the top. But let's see how we get on. There's pretty much everything in here. I'm a new pool today. I believe there's all sorts. There's carp, tench, skimmers, proper bream, loads of roach. So there's loads of silvers to go after, but hopefully we're going to get a few silvers at the beginning and hopefully some bigger fish at the end. But carry on watching and let's see how we get on. Okay, so we're going to go out with a piece of sweet corn, just fishing a really simple way today. Fishing over the top of some micros and a few pieces of corn. I have found a nice little flat spot as well, so just laying that in. There we go, better fish. Got ourselves a skimmer. Only a small one, but that's a start. So I won't feed this time. Just go straight back out again. There we go. It's a better fish. There we go, see if we can get his head up. I think it might be a small carp. So this one came to a piece of corn, fishing over micros. Ooh. There we go. Not a big fish, but there we go. Little carp. It's getting back in. Okay, so I've stopped getting bites on that short line. I say short line, 11 metre line. So I've decided to basically brave it and be a little bit braver than normal and go right up to those nettles hanging over right on that far bank. I think they've gone in the shallow water. Now, it's going to be a bit risky, right, because there's going to be an undercut, there's going to be lots of snags, but I'm going to give it a go. So I've basically put on a new rig. I've got a shorter rig. Basically, I mean, it's the same sort of line, but I've got on a 4x12 float because I've only got about 2.5 foot of water. I'm going to put in some corn and then put in some micros. I am going to tighten up my elastic because I feel that if there's any carp in there, they're just going to shoot straight for cover. Let's have a look. Basically, decided to be brave. Okay, so I've just potted those in. Let's see what happens. I do feel like they've gone in shallower water, and I think they will be underneath that sort of overhanging nettles. Oh yeah. go again. Just check each section as I ship out, make sure it's tight. Okay, pop those in, put it over the top. Oh, that was line bite. Oh, indication. There we go. Oh. Straight away. Look at that. Be brave or go home. And you have to follow this fish round. There's he gone. See if I can bring him back. I don't have an angler next to me, so he's gone right in the corner. So I'm just going to bring him back round. So I can get my pole on the rollers, shit back. There we go, look at that. What a beast. Be brave or go home. There we go. That's a saying for you. Decent fish this, look. Look at that. Cracker. There you go, mate. That's what you get. He's got to be £8. There we go. Cracking fish. Let's get him in on corn. Okay. So, we found the carp. Finally. Tying that elastic up so the elastic had pulled out. Let's go again. Put it over the top. Oh. That was line bite. There we go, fish on. We've got another carp. There we go, look. Got some carp. There we go. Let's see if we can get him. No. Ooh. There we go. I thought this one was going to be foul up the way it was, but let's get the hook out. So, get that one in. Probably about £4. So, let's go again. Got a few pieces of corn in. Cap it off with some micros. Okay, so try again. So I've just gone back in on my right. Well, I wanted to stay away from, but I just want to have another look. Oh man. Okay, go again. So interestingly, where I started off on my right, I was catching carp. Got caught up in those sort of nettles overhanging a couple of times, and with carp on, and I decided now to come over to my left, but it was too risky. I was being brave. I went over there, I caught a couple of carp, but like I say, I don't want to be losing rigs and so forth, so just come over to my left, out the way of those snags. There we go, carp on. He's out. I thought I was snagged up then. Managed to get him out. He definitely went in that undercut, straight into the snags. Feels like a decent carp. There we go, let's get him in. Go. Nice comment. Let's get him back in. Well, there you go, guys. I've had a really good session today. I've just been fishing around sort of 11.5 metres, keeping it really simple with some micros and corn. I had a carp, I had a couple of good skimmers. I also had a decent eyed as well and a few roach, but it was a little bit hit and miss. The carp didn't really want to go in that deeper water. I decided I'd just go closer to that bank. I mean, it was going to be really sort of bit difficult really and a bit dangerous. There's loads of brambles overhanging. It's going to be really snaggy. It was one of those, be brave or go home. I decided to brave up, man up and get closer to that bank, and as you can see I hit a few carp and I also caught a few skims, but unfortunately wasn't on camera, but I also lost 2 rigs in those brambles, but that's the way it was. Like I say, be brave or go home. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like. If you spare 5 seconds, please do leave a comment. But guys, I'm going to get packed up. Hope you've enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.